Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I post more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. I want to talk about our ladies where be say then go see they think of their ex-boyfriend. Where be say the ex, that one don't move on, he don't marry. Una go see they there, una go they think of him. I don't understand. If that ex love you, I'm not sure say if you go marry another person. Because some of our ladies that they do this thing well. Where be say the guy he dates you. He don't marry you. You can't go marry another person. And your eye go still there. I don't understand. Did you think you are fooling yourself or... I don't understand. That be my people. Because if this guy love you, if you not go marry another person. So now, the guy now go constantly call you. See they say he wants to date you or I don't understand. Or you go see they call the guy. You think say the guy go leave his wife for you? My dear, you don't feel leave your wife for you. Your wife na your wife. Your own na to just dey there. You could just if he even give you eye, he just they can't sleep with you. He go still boof you because he not go leave your wife for you. S na your S. Your past is your past. Even some go see they husband ass. They go see they think about their S. Are you people kidding me right now? Did you think that your ex is going to take you serious? No, it's not going to take you serious. That your ex, once they come, enjoy yourself, you go. You don't get what you want you to do. And they're not going to leave your wife for you. So what's going to make you to think about your ex? Let your past be your past. Both, not even they look that's your ex again. If he even call you, insult himself. Insult and tell us, what do they use me do? With me with you not there again will be past. So what do you want to use me do again? It's not possible. Because if you still think about your ex, you don't go feel married. You don't go feel married. Because you still think about your ex. Let your ex be your ex. You don't go what you want to use that ex to do again. If you never marry, it's a different thing. Maybe 12 on a first come back. But if you don't marry, my dear, no they call them again because you want to break another person home. No, they call them again. Let your S be your S. Move on. Maybe there are better thing for you for front where you never even grab. Because of your S, you don't go fit see him. Another guy they will love you. But because of your S, you're there, you go the you want they think about your S. Let your past be your past. Your past is your past. You know what you want to use that S to do again. Your S now your S. Move on. They know they do go back. Now front that they do they go. Move on. Hey, I don't understand. That is more not our ladies. No let your past. Someday, because of their past, they don't even do relationship again. I don't say it they ought. Maybe person where you love, he leave you. Let her go. God know why. Sometimes, maybe not the barrier where they your body, now God come out. You don't even know. Better man, we go cherish you, we go love you. They front, they wait for you, may you come in and grab you. But you go there, they waste your time. They die for one man when not even send you. My dear, let your past be your past. Move on. Move them. No say, this time when you did so, just the happy, they give yourself happiness. Not even let any pass they hook you down. Maybe say you don't feel move on, go front. No, because he don't move on, he enjoy it. Maybe he don't even marry himself. You understand? If he love you, if he marry you, that's why I say not love you. You not marry, what you want to kill yourself for? My dear, move on. Not they call your S again. Because some of our ladies, they are complaining. They say they are S, not they let their husband the rest. More than not they call them again. What do I want to use S to do? your past is your past. You not get what he want give you again. Just let your past be your past. Move on. Why they say, people with the speak English say, move on. Move on. No, that is, they go front, not they go back. Better man, they front, they wait for you. Let your past be your past. You not get what you want to use your past to do again. I don't understand the way, because our ladies, they are complaining. Before I come do this video, so for our ladies, they are complaining. Say their ex not they let their husband the rest. What you want to use ex they do? How many front that they do, they go. I been a back. Do go front. Move your ex. Don't let that your, if he even call you, insult him. Because if you continue to date your ex, you not go marry. Now me they tell you, you not go marry. You go just stay there. You go just use you for nothing. You go they lie to you saying not love your wife, whereas you love your wife. Your wife when you not love you, sit there with her for how many years? You there, they die. You there, they waste your time. Maybe you go even call her sometimes. He go tell you, say, I beg, I'll call you back. My wife, they here. Yeah. Don't you think you are fooling yourself like that? You are fooling yourself. I beg, let your past be your past. More than not they call una S again. More than they let men they look down on una. Go and find love somewhere. Go find love for another place. Make una not the let una S they see una finish again. Because if that S love you, if you no go marry another person, and the one can come back to you again to do anything, to come waste your time. For me now your time you want can waste then. Now your time. You understand? Now your time you want can waste. So let your S be your S. Let your S be your S. Eh? I don't understand the way unate they behave. Eh? Let your S be your S, I beg. I see they repeat them. And do you will be man where your S not go let you live? What do you see? What do they look for where your wife not gets? Like one video when I see when one woman say, if you they give your side chick for outside, you they give them ba bo, you they angle leg they go up, you they angle leg they go here. What you make you feel say you don't feel angry your wife? Oh, your wife tell you saying you don't need them like that. When you want to do your wife, oh, you come they like they do them, they like cool, like responsible man. Maybe they look you say, ah, my husband, they do them cool, because now your wife, you don't want to make it pain. You know you say they pain them. She tell you say if they pain them, do them the way she want them. Do them the way you say they do that side chic home. You will be man. What they call your ex? What do you see? What do your wife? What do the ex get? What your wife not gets? Your wife gets everything too. So not call your ex again. Leave them when they marry. Wanna leave them when I will be men. So mofuna. Leave your ex. Make him marry. Boof. Not let that ex see your eye again. If you want call her, make you greet him. That is if she even want me, you they call him. Not call him again, self, because if you even they call him, self, you they distract her, make you not concentrate on the one way she did. So I beg, let your S be your S. Eh? I don't understand do now. Because our ladies complain, I mean they talk him. I beg, when I not come S, when I not come go break another person home. Go find your own husband. Your husband they front, they wait for you. Maybe because of this your ex now, you know they concentrate on the new relationship where you did. Concentrate on her. Try make you love the guy where they love you. May you just remove your eye for your ex. Ex now. So thank you everybody, and subscribe for my YouTube. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share this video for me and like my page. And thank you and God bless you, and share this video for me. And if you not get any advice for all those ex, I beg make una write them for the comment section there, then go hear them. Thank you and bye.